Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the accessory belt on a Opel Corsa C. It's the 1.7 liter diesel engine without air conditioner. What I did till now is that I removed the right front wheel and this plastic thing. I also made a small drawing about how the accessory belt is on the pulleys, and here we have it. It's a very easy access to it. The key is already on the tensioner pulley, so we will just go ahead and detension the belt and take it off. Yeah, you know the job is well done when you hear the... Look at this. The reason why we are replacing it, because it looks ugly. And that's how you install the new accessory belt.